Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be a little bit different, or I'm going to do a little different, and I'm going to actually use some cardstock. And I'm also going to use the winter sticker book in my classic size Encourager layout happy planner that I use for social media planning. So I went Black Friday shopping and I got this little block pad at Michael's. It was $5 and I think it was 50% off, and then I ended up using the extra 30% off coupon, but when I looked on my receipt I think I paid 75 cents for this, guys, so it was a really good deal. But I've seen lots of people use cardstock to decorate their planner spreads, so let me show you the tools that I used, because I did go ahead and pre-choose things. But this is the classic Happy Planner box punch. I've had this thing forever and I've never used it. And then this, I don't remember, it's the Paper Studio, and it's just like a flag punch. So I thought I'd get a little creative this week and do some cutting and like gluing in my spread. So here's what I've pre-chosen, and I'm not sure exactly if I'm going to use all of this. To me it just looks like a whole lot, so I'm going to start out of course in my little corner here. And I did go ahead and redate because this is a 2020 planner. Thank the Lord that December is almost over, and or not almost over, but when you guys watch this video we'll be halfway through December, and I'll only have a couple more weeks of redating and then I won't have to do it anymore. So this is the week of December 9th through the 15th. And I don't use this random acts of kindness section because this is social media, and it's not like my catch-all daily planner. So I usually cover this up. And so this sticker and these two, and I think this important, came out of the winter sticker book. And then I'll show you these pieces are actually cardstock that came out of here. So these are the pieces that I picked, and so I used the pink stripes and then the ornaments, and you can see where I punched them out. I just didn't want to take up a whole lot of your time on camera, so I went ahead and pre-punched. Now I've said before that Mondays are my busy filming days, and I'm actually filming this on a Saturday, so I'm trying to push towards doing my filming and editing on the weekend. And I think I just used all my tape runner. I gotta go grab some more. I'll be right back. Okay, and I said tape runner, but it's my whiteout. So I am, like I was saying, I am filming on Saturday. And I'm still gonna decorate my spreads for Monday being my productive day, just because I have not quite perfected the whole Saturday filming editing schedule yet. So eventually I'll switch and make it Saturday on my plan with me's, but for now I'm just going to leave it Monday. And this little banner I chose just because I wanted to pull some pink in, and it says living my best life, so I thought that would be cute there. And then here's where my cardstock comes into play. So I did put a little bit of tape runner on here just to attach it to my wax paper so that I could pre-plan the layout. But I think I want to put this in a corner, and I'll tape it down permanently once I decide exactly what I want to do. So I was thinking I'd put that in a corner and then put a silver box over top of it. And I think that's going to look cute. And then I was thinking about putting this pink stripe one down here with that pink box. Maybe I'll put a silver box over that and then put the pink box there. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So in order to get these diagonals, I of course punched a whole square, which is like this. And then I just used my scissors to cut two diagonals because I didn't want to use the whole check box. And then I do like to not be wasteful. I like to make things go as far as I can. So I'm going to take my Tombow tape runner. This really is a tape runner. and just adhere this little diagonal piece down. Hopefully this spread will turn out cute, as cute as it is in my head. Anyway, so let's take the silver. Now, I've never used cardstock in my planner spreads, and this is going to be kind of bumpy right here when I write on it, so it might drive me crazy, but maybe I can manage and see how well I like using the cardstock. And I mean, I guess I could, maybe I will cut the cardstock around this box. I think I will, once I get the box straight. That way I don't have to worry about the bump when I'm writing. Okay, that looks straight. So let's go ahead and take my little slice tool, if I can find it, and cut that cardstock around that colored box so that it's not bumpy when I write on it. If I can cut this straight. It's always a challenge of mine. Not straight. Okay, so hopefully my sticker peels up, and then hopefully this will peel up too. So it didn't peel all the way up, but I did get most of the bump out of there. Okay, yeah, so that's fairly smooth there. I should have probably thought of that beforehand, but it's okay. And now I want to go ahead and glue this one down. So I don't like getting the glue on my desk. Never fails, I always seem to do that. And then for these, I don't know how you guys prefer, but you may want to put like a whole line of glue down each side. But I'm just going to try it with just some little dashes to see how well it sticks. Like I said, this is my first time doing anything other than Happy Planner stickers in my spreads, so I gotta get this straight. Okay, and then I think I may come in with 2 boxes. I think I'm gonna get my colorful boxes back out and grab another silver box to put in here, because I feel like one looks kind of silly. But I'm going to go ahead and cut this out too, just like I did the other one. I wonder if I use my tweezers, if I can get it better. I may not get the whole thing up. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, that's much better. That's so smooth. Okay, so let me get another colorful box. And of course, I do have several colorful boxes, sticker books, all broken apart in this Happy Planner DIY sticker book. So I have plenty to choose from here. I'm just going to grab this size and put it down here a little bit offset too. So let's put it like this. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm just going to cut around it. I think I'm going to use my actual X-Acto knife so I can see what I'm cutting. That's the only downfall of that slice tool, is you can't really see what you're cutting because the point is so small. I just cut my box. It'll be alright. Okay. Now I'm going to use my tweezers again and see if I can get all of that out of there. I may not. Nope. Okay, so we'll just get that part out and take most of the bump off. Okay, yeah, that looks cute to me. I think that colorful box is crooked. But it's kind of late to be straightening it up now that I've cut my other box. Okay. So I think that's kind of cute there. And then I did have this sticker that has silver foil on it. This came out of the winter sticker book, and it says peace, love, and joy. So I was thinking about, I think I'll just kind of put it over here. Yeah, I think that's kind of cute. I mean, it looks really busy to me, but I think it's cute. Alright, so now let's go to this side. So I was going to put this up here, and then maybe put this down here. I did cut this flag out, but I'm not sure if I'll use it or not. I don't know how I want to do this, guys. This is the side that I didn't totally prepare. Maybe that there. I think I should come down with this and maybe put this here. And then I like this little holiday vibes. Maybe I'll put that up there. And my little flag is stuck. I didn't want to use the flag, like the ornaments on the same line. What am I going to do? Maybe if I turn this upside down here, and then maybe I can do spread joy here instead of the holiday vibes. It's still going to be on the same line though. Let's see. I might just have to deal with it being on the same line. Or most of the time, I just don't like making my patterns so close together. But let's just see. So I wanted to use this. Maybe I'll put it like right here. And I was going to put this little important sticker over it. I still think that's kind of cute though. So let's do this. Let's go ahead and start adhering. So we'll start with this one. Alright. So tape runner again. And I am going to try to go most of the way down with this. Okay, we're going to put this one on Sunday. Like that. And then I'm going to put spread joy over top of that. And I'm not going to cut this one out because actually where I'll be writing is smooth. But I do want to white out the pink lines under here. So let's go ahead and take care of that. And probably didn't need to white out that pink line, but it's okay. Alright. So that's cute. And then I'm going to need my jelly roll to white out the line on the holiday vibes. So we're just going to lightly go over that black line just to kind of lessen the appearance. Okay. We'll let that dry. And let's put this one down. So I'm going to try to be smart here, if I can find a pen, and go ahead and draw around this box so that I can just cut it with my scissors instead of having to oh gosh, I just took my whole page with me. But instead of having to use the X-Acto knife, I'm just going to try to cut this out with my scissors. So maybe I can get the whole thing. That was a disaster. Alright. So this is why I don't do the cardstock very often, because it is a job. And it does take extra time. But once in a while it's kind of fun to do something a little different in your planner spread. Okay, hopefully this is straight. Probably not, but we'll see. And then I want to glue this down. And then put this colorful box back over top. That fits like perfect. I think that's the first time I've ever cut a straight line. So I can see the black line through this box, and I don't like that, so I'm going to wipe that out in just a minute. I'm going to go ahead and lay my holiday vibes down. I think that's fairly straight. It's kind of hard to see whether or not it's straight when I'm sitting back here on camera. But let's white out this black line just so it doesn't bother me. Okay. That's better. And then we'll go ahead and glue this down. I kind of wish I'd have bought the smaller flag punch, but I got the big one. And I don't use these punches enough to actually go and buy any more. It's just some little whim I got on. I think I saw Heather Kell using her punches, and I went out and bought some and never even used them until now, and that was probably 6 months ago. So I won't be buying any more punches. Okay, and then I thought it would be cute to put this important sticker here. Okay, so this is definitely a different look for me, but I think it turned out pretty cute. I did grab some of these bullet points, but I don't think I'm actually going to use any. I feel like I need some more silver on this side because I have a ton of silver here and not a whole lot over here. So let's grab my colorful boxes and see if we can't find a couple more just to put in here and kind of even it out. So I think I'll put this size, maybe put this down here. And then where else? I think that's enough. Yeah, I think that's enough. So just one more. Okay, so let's put it back in my planner and see what we've got here. So of course this is my social media planner, and the reason that I leave the bottom section open without stickers is because I put my YouTube and Instagram stats down there. It's just something that I've been doing, and it's encouraging to me to see my channel growing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you will consider. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell on the side there so you don't miss any notifications when I upload. So this is December 9th through the 15th. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.